Welcome back to part 5 of the Asia-Alaska adventure, as we are starting just on the side of Japan. So let's get back into the story and see what's happening. An adventure if you can. After a beautiful sunset, I totally passed out. I completely slept through dinner, a work meeting. Well, now it's like, I watched, I'm not gonna say what time it is here. It's like 3-ish a.m. and the only food there is, looks like, is dry cereal. So I guess that's what it is until a couple hours from now when breakfast opens. So set an alarm, maybe next time. All right, let's get some work done. So that was very, very good. And while I was out there watching, it looks like there's some nice mountains, so let's go watch those. All right, we made it to port, as you guys saw. Let's go take a look. I'm sure this is going to be a normal occurrence here, but I'm pretty tough. Look at the size of this crab, man. Wow. All right, SIM card achieved. Now we can actually get a phone working. Alright, see if we did this right. Waiting for like a subway thing, or I guess a streetcar.
Should we try to get on?
So I totally just guessed correctly on that metro stuff, so I guess I'll just tell you guys what I did. So when I opened up Apple Maps and I pushed it to where I wanted to go and I picked transit, I actually just had a prompt there. It's like, hey, do you want to add basically an Apple Wallet card for transit? So I was like, sure. So I did that, and I tried the first one. It's like this S thing, or sorry, this other one didn't work. And then I did the one I showed you guys, and that totally works. And it was really easy to tell my phone to the thing and ready to go. But let's go walk and see this castle. Look at that thing. Check it out, it's a little kid sink. That's cute. There we got it. We go look down at that thing.
れちゃう。
Alright, if you want to go in this cool building back here, take off your shoes. Cash only, which I have 0 of. So, next time, whatever city this is that I can't remember, but there's somewhere in the video it tells you. Get some cash. Or yen, as it would be. Let's see what else is going on. You're craving that's something new like curry spaghetti. There you go. Look at that. If you need a place to smile, there's the Smile Hotel. Check it out, an actual payphone. Wow. So I searched for tourist attractions. This is like a street apparently. I can't pronounce it of course, but it's really pretty in the spring apparently. Not right now. Alright, let's keep looking around. Alright, my Apple Pay was not having it, so I used my credit card. So definitely should pick up some yen at some point. Let's try this food. Alright, we're trying to go up there. See if we can get this train over here.
Attention all passengers. If you have a round trip ticket.
Let's go look at those churches next. So that's it for the view of Mount Hakodate. That's where we are. The observation tower, Mount Hakodate. Let's go down and take a look at those churches.
We're here, but I don't know, is that an Orthodox or something to the warehouse?
Yeah, to the warehouse and then to the big mall, 400 something. At the end of the parking lot.
That's the straightest way, yeah.
So that's a cool church. It's the Russian Orthodox Church here, and I can't remember what city. I should get better at this, I should. So I'm telling you guys all about the world. Or am I? Or am I just adventuring and taking you along for the ride? I think I'm good. Let's go back to the ship. Check out this little car. Like a motorcycle slash car thing. cute, this little carrying cases. Hello. Can I pet? Hello. Oh, hi, you're so cute. Those little backpacks were really cute. I didn't think that dog was going to be as cute inside though. Alright, still walking. And it's warm out today. I should tell you guys what time it is, I guess. 79 Fahrenheit. Oh, today is September the 18th in Japan. It's September the 17th in my brain where I'm going to work some more when I get back, and that's still the end of that work day. Global travel and work is fun. Alright, let's get back to the ship, find some food, and do some work. Alright, let's go drop this bag, find that glorious thing called lunch, and then work for a bit. What do we got today? Hello. Alright, now that food has been had, let's do some work. Alright, some work has been done. Got a beautiful sunset behind us. Let's go swim and see if we can check it out while we go. What a wonderful sunset. All right. Another reminder that go outside, see all there is to see, get off that couch, because there is more to your life than sitting there in your house. Let's go see what's next. Well, that was a great swim and a fantastic sunset. The moon might be rising on the other side, so we're gonna go up there and look real quick, and then it's definitely time for dinner. So those clouds make the sunset very pretty in the back. Did not do well for the moon in the front. But that's the full moon. All right, let's go get some food. All right, dinner was pretty good. A steak, not very exciting for me to show you guys. But now let's watch a show.
Now it's time for full board sharing. Okay, let's try. 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome. Okay, so please just write your name as big as possible. Yes.
Well, all right, that show was pretty awesome. I'm really glad I went to that. He's very, very talented. Never seen 7 balls before. Wow, pretty good. I'm exhausted. It was a very, very long day that started extremely early, so let's get some sleep, and I will catch you guys up tomorrow. Good morning. That's Japan over there. Today's a sea day. It's really warm out here. Really nice. All right, let's get to work. Whew. Well, it's been quite a long work day at sea today. It's my last sea day on the ship, and since it was so exciting in that city in Japan yesterday, I'm going to make this the end of part 5 of the Asia-Alaska adventure. I'll catch you guys on the next episode when we get to Tokyo. Good night. Goodbye. Good night. One of those. I'll see you on the next episode.